What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your pages to images in Card. So first head over to the Card's website and then open your dashboard if you already have it, but if you don't have it, click on choose a starting point and then create your new dashboard. And after that, you just need to go to the dashboard, your recent dashboard, or you can create a new one. And after going to your online site, the editor will open, and from here you can just click on this plus icon here and then click on image. And after clicking on image on the left side, you can see the upload option. Click on this, and then from here you can upload the option. You can upload the image that you want and then click on accept. After that, as you can see, my image has been uploaded. And after that, when I just click on this image again, from here I can enter the title, enter the alternate text, and enter the link if I want. After that, when I'm done, I'll just simply click on done, and then my another image will be added too. So this is how you can link pages to images in Card. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.